Hey, welcome to Stay Outside and Explore. Today we have what's left of a Shark brand vacuum cleaner. The rest of the parts are in the garbage. This, I want to see what the motor looks like, and then we'll see if we can scrap it. So there's a bunch of screws. It's a special tip. I don't know if you can see that, but it has a hole in there. That's what the screws will look like. So let's rip it apart, see what we can find as to what it looks like inside. I've never seen what kind of vacuum motor looks like in this. Let's see if there's anything worth scrapping. So stay tuned. And once I get to the motor, I'll turn you back on. Okay, so this is the motor out of the casing. Little board there. So I ended up taking all those screws out, and I still could not get that plastic housing off. I literally had to smash it with that. So that just goes to show you how well that Shark vacuum cleaner is made. The motor might not be all that great, but the housing is. And you can see there's some copper in there. So I'm going to see about trying to take this all apart and see what we can salvage. So let's see. Okay. I don't know if I'm going to be able to crack that loose. To jam a screwdriver or something in there on that motor. See if I can wedge that in there. It's the first time I've ever done this, so I'm just trying to see what I can do to stop that from spinning. All right, excuse me. After messing around with this for a little bit, I was able to get some parts off. I didn't want you guys to see like how long it took. It took a little while. And I just felt that would be boring. So now we're trying to get the copper out of the motor. There's a lot of copper. That's what it looks like. There's even copper in there too. But let's get this stuff out first. Back. Let's see. Now I'm dating myself. It's got to be, yeah, in the early 70s. My mom worked at what was called Transformer Design, and she used to wind by hand. Used to sit down, and she did that for a couple of years. It's just a little small place. And I don't remember where or what these were for, if it was for like motors. I'm sure they were. But yeah, it would be about like that. Things you do back then, that's all automated now. I need to get that stuff out. Then I believe it will come out. Okay. I was able to get that copper out. Got a fair amount of copper. I don't know if this is aluminum or not. Nope, it's steel. So that can go, oh yeah, she's steel. That can go in the scrap pile. I'm not sure. Let me know in the comments if I should try to get the copper out of this or just try to throw it away just like that. Would appreciate it. And then just some wire here and a circuit board, which I do have a bucket of circuit boards, bigger ones, computer boards and stuff like that. So there we go. And then some wire. So that should do it for this video. I appreciate everybody watching. Give me a thumbs up. And again, let me know in the comments if I should try to take that copper out or just give them the motor when I turn it in for scrap. All right, subscribe, and I'll have some more videos coming up real soon. Take care.